Kiwi fruits are a nutrient-dense superfood that offers numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key advantages of including kiwi fruits in your diet. Kiwi fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, with one medium kiwi providing about 70% of the daily recommended intake. Kiwi fruits contain a range of antioxidants, including polyphenols and carotenoids, which help to protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Kiwi fruits are a good source of dietary fiber. Kiwi fruits can help to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support healthy gut bacteria. Supports healthy and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. Kiwi fruits contain a range of nutrients, including folate, potassium, and magnesium, which can help to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. The vitamin C and antioxidants in kiwi fruits can help to protect the skin from damage, promote collagen production, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The fiber and antioxidants in kiwi fruits may help to slow the absorption of sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Kiwi fruits are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that can help to protect the eyes from damage and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Overall, kiwi fruits are a nutritious and delicious addition to a healthy diet.